Hey everyone, I'm Seán from RennEleven, the all-cool Porsche lifestyle hub. Today, I'm going to be looking at two new steering wheels from a fledgling Croatian company called Trieri. Let's have a look. First of all, the case is absolutely stunning. You've got this wonderful red velour finish inside, and let's be honest, when you get a steering wheel, most of the time they tend to just be in a box. Looks a bit tacky, but this is an absolute work of art. Got a little user manual here as well, which is quite nice. Oh, and it even comes with a little thank you. It's little touches like this that really elevate steering wheels and anything that you buy for your car, from something that's run of the mill to something that's a little bit more special. So looking at this, it gives you the step-by-step guide. It may be simple to some, but for some others, it could be the difference between this and searching on Google and scratching your head. Also comes with the attachments, some screws, Allen keys, and also some stuff to help you put the horn in. So first thing you notice straight away is the thickness of the actual rim itself. Now, something that's really interesting on this, it's not stitched. This actually hasn't been stitched on. It's incredible, the level of detail on this. You've got these wonderful contours there for your fingers, depending on how you like to hold your steering wheel. It's wonderful. There's a numbering system on there. This is number 2 of 100 in this particular colorway, and it looks absolutely stunning. It really is a work of art. And at the end, at the front, finished off with this wonderful Trieri logo on there. And it's the little things as well. You know when you press a horn and you want it to bounce back, it has that feel straight away. It feels fantastic. Now when you're driving, you want to make sure that you feel one with your car. And I can't think of anything better than one of these taking pride of place on your steering column in your classic car. So it's available in black, and silver. Now these are exclusively available in the UK through Notomoto. So make sure you go on Notomoto's website and get yours before they're gone. Thank you so much. Take care. Bless you. Bye-bye.